Hey YouTube, it's your girl Crystal and I'm back with another mukbang, y'all. What's up, y'all? How are you guys doing, y'all? I am back with day 3 of the pharmacy challenge. When I say I am hungry, y'all, it's really on a whole nother level today. Okay, so y'all, we're gonna get right to it. I got some fried chicken. Remember I said I was gonna give you some real good fried chicken from Crunchy Chicken. Y'all know the gas station place. Crunchy chicken, and I got some pasta, some shrimp and lobster linguine. Can y'all see it? All right, y'all, we about to get right into it. Let me just taste this. I got some extra sauce because you know stuff be pasta sometimes. Yeah. So good. It's good. I got some extra sauce, so we're definitely gonna use that. I also brought my hot sauce and my my spices over here because I wasn't sure how it was going to be. Yeah. What's up? How are you guys doing? Man, y'all don't even. When I tell y'all, I'm so hungry. Like, this is what the extra sauce looks like. I had to wait extra long because I guess they didn't have enough sauce left. I guess. I don't know. That's what they said. I don't know. But whatever. I'm grateful to have some pasta. This wasn't even my plan, y'all. Like, I was going to get Popeyes. I wanted a po' boy so bad. I have been thinking about it for the last 2 days. I have been thinking about it. Today is Sunday, y'all. I'm going to try to still get this video up tonight. It's late. It's 10:15 at night. This is my first time eating. Y'all, I'm so hungry. When I say I'm so hungry, I mean it. All right, that's it. For that. I hope that's enough. It should be. I'll make it work. I got something out here. Yeah, it is. It was good. Y'all, I'm about to eat just for a little bit because I am hungry. Like I said 1,000 times already. All right, go ahead. So good. And I got the Cajun honey sauce again. This time I heated it up, y'all. Oh, it's about to be already. No. Y'all want a bite? Y'all can have the first bite. Y'all can. Oh my God. Heated up is everything I thought it was gonna be, and more. Where my other piece at? I thought I broke off a wing. Am I losing? Oh, right here. Right in my face, y'all. Right in my face. This is good. Oh my God. This was worth the wait because I'm like beyond. Mm. This chicken, fire and bomb. Bomb. Mm. With this sauce. Mm-mm. Y'all, this hitting the spot. I was getting hangry. Cause okay, so I can talk a little bit. Wait a minute, let me eat a little more. Here y'all go. Y'all get a bite of this. Okay, here y'all go. Shrimp and lobster. Mm. It's good, really good. Y'all, I had got a 10-piece. And I had ate one because I was trying to figure out. Mm-mm. Mm. I was trying to figure out, like, I wanted Popeyes, a po' boy, right? That's what I wanted. Y'all know it's always an experience with Popeyes. Like, y'all know it's always an experience with Popeyes. So, I wanted Popeyes po' boy. So, I went to, I got a couple that's near my house. The one that's close to my house, I don't go there if I want, like, it to be made right. To be honest, you know. So, went to the other one. So, I put up the lights off. I'm like, the lights is off. But people still pulling in. Excuse me. The people still pulling in. And there's people standing outside. Well, it was a guy standing outside. And people about to get out the car. And the drive-thru was still lit up. So I'm like, is it closed or is it open? So I'm like, okay. So I go to the drive-thru and they say on the little mic, what you talking to thing? What's it called? The speaker. Like we close due to maintenance, basically maintenance repairs. Cool. So I'm like, oh man, like okay. So now I gotta go to the one I didn't want to go to. Go to that one. Mm. I got some Tony. Alright, so yeah. So I gotta go to the one that I don't want to go to. So I'm like, alright, whatever, because I want this Polish boy. Hopefully I'm hoping for the best. Right? So I told you. So mm-hmm. That's a little bit of hot sauce. So I go to the one that's closest to me. I pull up. It's open, but it's a lady out in the parking lot body speaker. So I'm like, what is going on? Like, it's Sunday. It's not a holiday. So she's standing out there. There's not people had iPads and stuff. She didn't have an iPad, but that's what it looked like. Yeah, she taking orders. But I'm like, this Popeye, they don't do that. So she coming up to us like, hi y'all, you know, like she like, hi, yeah, our boss or company decided to give us a Christmas party, so we're gonna be closing early. So it's about 8:50 or something like that. We're gonna be closing early. So I was like, okay. And then she said, plus we basically out of everything anyway. I was like, all right. So basically, my thing is like, is she trying to say that because she like, even if I want to be like, can you you know hook me, you know, like cook something real quick? She basically like, even if we was up, we ain't got nothing. I'm like, I hope she lying, because that's bad inventory. So y'all, at that point to me, I'm like, it ain't meant for me to get Popeye. It ain't. I done went to 2, and both of them is closed. Like, that's so weird. I was like, this cannot be happening. So mind you, I hadn't ate all day. I literally hadn't ate in 24 hours. I hadn't ate since I went to work yesterday. I hadn't ate since 5 p.m. yesterday, and it was after 5 today. I didn't purposely do it like that, but that's the way it kind of felt, you know. So now I'm real hungry. So now I had to come home because now I had to pee. But I'm like, let me try to figure out like what I'm gonna get, because I'm doing this to farm and seed. Like, I need something for the seed. Like, what should I get? Should I get catfish or what? So I'm like, I kind of want some pasta or whatnot. Like, where can I go? So let me go into Bahama Breeze. They said 15 minutes. I got there. I had to wait another 15 minutes, but I'm blessed to get this. So I ain't complaining. But I was up there like, that's not how you just so hungry. You just up there like, please, can I just get a taste or something? Somebody give me some bread. I don't care. Like, I just need something. I almost came back and just made it a chicken mukbang. This is good though. What's your favorite places to get pasta? Because I was racking my brain. I'm like, where do I get pasta from? So I used to love Red Lobster fettuccine, shrimp fettuccine, but then they changed it. Like, they had small shrimps like these, but then they became baby shrimp. The last time I got it, I asked her, I'm like, did they change something? She was like, oh yeah, they changed the recipe. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, I was trying to figure it out, and I'm like, where do I normally be getting my pasta from? That's like good pasta. So I had this other place, but I didn't want to go all the way over there. But where do y'all go? Hopefully, I wonder. Cause I'm telling y'all to say that because we might have a place like that here, and I can go try it. I'm just so glad to be able to finally eat. I started giving up. Don't you know how I was up there like, I'm just gonna have to eat chicken, which is whatever, you know. But I just know how I was up there like that. I'm just so glad I was able to make a decision, and it's good. I wish I had some more Alfredo sauce. Y'all have another bite. Y'all see it? Man, that's when y'all waiting to eat and you probably could just eat. I didn't drink so much water today, y'all. Like, look, I didn't drink my whole thing basically. Like, I've been telling you, I've been trying to get my water in. So tell me why I thought that was a gallon. I feel me. I be doing some slow stuff sometimes, like off camera. I'm like, what was you thinking? It's 101 ounces. So I still have to drink, which I would still drink my other. I got another jug, but because a gallon is 128 ounces, so I still would need to drink something else. So I count my little cups because my cups is like 2 cups of water. But y'all, for the longest I thought like if I drink one of them, I was drinking my gallon. Fortunately, I was still drinking more water, but I'm like, I felt super slow. I'm like, this is so good. How's everybody's day going? If I don't put this up today, I'm gonna say happy Monday. Happy Monday, y'all. What y'all doing? Are y'all on vacation? Everybody still got work? I'm gonna try to make a homemade pasta one day, like an Alfredo. These are the lobsters. So good. But yeah, how was y'all weekend? I worked mine. Y'all, when I say I was burning the candle at both ends, that's why this video was like a day off. I tried. I was no sleep on Saturday because I worked. Then I had to go to my grandma's house because my cousin was having this little thing, but I still couldn't even stay because I had to go back to work. I was at work like, like I need toothpicks in my eyeballs. Like, I was like, oh my God, I'm so sleepy. But I came home and I got me some good sleep. Like, I had that good sleep, like, and then the sun came out today, y'all, so it was like 50 degrees, I think, today. And the sun was like beaming in on me. I was like, I woke up like, I got some good sleep. When I say I got some good sleep, I was so thankful. Cause sometimes you're so sleepy, you hope you get some good sleep, but stuff start happening and start waking you up. Oops. Had it too. So y'all, what was I gonna say? Oh, do y'all go to places by yourself? Like go like to have fun by yourself? Like y'all might go out, I don't know, to play pool or something. Well, you can't play pool by yourself. But I mean, like, do you go out and then like make friends or something like that? Or whatever, just go by yourself, go out to dinner, go out to the movies and all that type of stuff. The reason I'm asking that is because, like, I do that certain places, and I just ready to go. When I'm ready to do something, I'm ready to do something. And so I normally go out to eat I could go out to eat by myself, no problem. Like, right. The movies, on the other hand, I have to go early. Like, I cannot go late. Like, I don't know. I just feel weird. But, be for real, I don't even go to the movies that often. So, I don't know, this is what I'm concerned. Do y'all feel weird if y'all do go somewhere by yourself? Or do y'all not go nowhere by yourself at all? So let me tell y'all something that happened to me one time. I got this Mexican spot, right? Right. And I went there and I got my regular stuff. But you know, Mexican places, they have all these plates that come out. Like, this, it make you look green. Even if you, I had about 6 plates. It looked like, to me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I had my plate. You know, I had an appetizer that came in like this little like bowl shaped thing. Then that came with some tortillas. I had a plate. They give you the basket with the chips and the salsa. Had that. I got a side of the house sauce. Had that. Then I had my margarita. That was a glass. It just looked like I had a lot of stuff. Then I got food. So then that's another plate with 2 extra plates. You know what I'm saying? Because you got your food, then you got your tortillas. You know, because they put the tortillas though. So, but I was sitting at the bar. So, little guy, he was just girl though. I was like, she was asking me about what I was drinking. And so, I was telling her. And then he said, I asked her if she wanted to taste it, like I could pour her something, whatever. So she's like, yeah, that's so nice, blah, blah, blah. And he like, yeah, might as well since you got stood up for your date. I was like, what? I was like, I'm like, what you mean I got stood up? He like, I see that plate right there and nobody didn't show up. I was like, that's one of them like, awkward. Like, that's my food. That's actually my food, sir. It was so funny because I'm like, do people really be thinking that? Like, he's just like, yeah, okay. I'm like, okay. Like, I'm not about to convince no stranger that this is my food. Like, have at it. You know what I'm saying? But it was so funny because I'm like, that's why I'm sitting there. I'm like, what's he talking about? Like, and I looked over. I'm like, I got all these plates. When I go to my Mexican place, sure. You gotta get an appetizer. You gotta get a margarita. And then you get your meal. Even though I still took it home, they still brought it out like regular. And he ended up getting the same thing I got for the meal. He like, what's that you got? He was trying to roast me though. I'm up there like. So how do y'all feel? That's my point. Like I'm saying that because you never know how people take it. I didn't really care at all because I like. It's really my food. If anything, I was kind of glad that he thought it was somebody else's food, not all mine. You know what I'm saying? At least he gave me the benefit of the doubt. I'm like, it's mine. If you don't go out by yourself, you need to try it for 2020. Start out small. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised who you meet. You'll be surprised what you like to do. Like, man, I used to sit up in that spot like for some hours because I could chill. I'm gonna put my feet up because it'd be early. I had my phone charging. They was so cool in there. Can I see? So good. But yeah, y'all, definitely let me know below. Or what's your favorite place to go by yourself? I online shop, but when I do go to the store, I like to go by myself. Because I don't like stores, so when I'm ready to get up out of there, I'm ready to roll. Y'all. To any of my new subscribers, hey y'all. Hey boo. Hey, what's up? I'm a whole new person now that I ate. Like, what's happening? Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Let me think, what else? That's it. Until next time, y'all. Thank you so much for spending time with me, y'all. I appreciate y'all so much for that. To my MVPs, you already know I love y'all. Love everybody. I love all everybody. All right. Thank you so much for joining me in my day 3 of the pharmacy. Ooh, excuse me. In a day 3 of the pharmacy challenge. Y'all go check out the Mukbang booze. And that's it. Until next time, y'all. Stay safe. I love y'all. Bye.